Now these guys, they eat, we're feeding them some sardines and some squid. Yum. So, I need you guys to be quiet because what's going to happen when these guys eat, they're going to make a noise that I want you to hear.